Hello and Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be here with you. Welcome to 2022. This has already started off like a crazy year. We are still in the midst of the pandemic. So because I'm not able to do face-to-face appointments or makeovers with my clients, I am here again to do some more makeup tutorials. So I have 3 looks for the new year. Super excited about this. These ones, the first one we're going to do is called Midnight Ice. These are the colors that we're going to be using today, which are gorgeous. So let's get started. So this is going to be like a horizontal eye look today. So we're going to start off with Crystalline, which is of course a super great highlighting color. I wanted something nice and bright and icy because it is January. So we are going to put this all over from the, well, you can go, to make it really simple, you can go right from the lash line all the way up to the eyebrow. Because of course our Mary Kay Chroma Fusion colors can be layered, which makes things really easy. So I'm using our all over eyeshadow brush, which is really nice because it's got some nice poofy bristles, covers a lot of area. It's really great when you're doing a wash like this. All right, we're going to clean that off and we're going to move right into the second color, which is Cashmere Haze, which is a matte gray, nice and soft looking. This is going to go on the lower lid part. So everything from the crease down to the eyeshadow, or sorry, to the eyelashes. And both eyes. This is kind of like a go-to smoky eye as well. So it's really great for that beginning of the year when you want, you know, we're not having any parties, of course, but you still want to look a little festive, right? That's right, for sure. And then we're going to use this gorgeous color. It's called Starry Night. It is a dark blue with some shimmer. And I'm going to use our eye smudger brush because it's got really tight bristles close together. So what that does for us is actually let there be a lot of pigment left over on the eyes. And we're going to just do a nice fat stripe along the lash line. Got a little bit of shrapnel on the nose there, so let me get rid of that. And do the other side. Nice and deep. You can still see it there, so I'm just going to pull that off. Try not to wreck the rest of my makeup while I'm doing that. What we'll do now is we'll take our big fluffy blending brush and just blend that all together. And this might look a little bit dark for you, but remember with half of our faces covered right now too, you really want the eyes to stand out. So what I like to do with this look is take our liquid liner and do a big fat line along the lash line. I'm going to pull the outer corner, make it nice and chunky. Taper it off. There we go. And then let's take it up a notch with our Lash Intensity Mascara. I'll try to do this with my camera. It's always hard to use the camera. Forgive my phone notifications going off over there. I should have silenced that before we got started today. So we're pumping up the volume on the lashes as much as we can. Because again, everything's covered up except for our eyes, right? So let's take it up a notch. And I'm feeling like it's winter time and I need a little more depth to our face. So we're going to do quick contouring with our Latte cheek brush. I'm going to use the taller bristles here, go right into that groove under the cheekbone. Just put a little bit of shadow there. Take our glazed highlighter with the roundest part of our brush. Get some sparkle and shimmer on and highlight our cheekbones themselves. Then we have our cheek color. It's Rosy Nude today, which is quite subtle on the apples of our cheeks and just up along the hairline. So again, I've called this look Midnight Ice. You are welcome to contact me if you want like a step-by-step tutorial. If you live here in Canada and you don't have a Mary Kay consultant, you're welcome to reach out to me if you're looking to purchase any of the products. You can message me. All the links are in the bio, or my website is there. And then we're gonna top it off with a nice burgundy lipstick. This is called Berry Couture. This deep burgundy is perfect for this season. We're seeing burgundy lips. We're seeing a lot of blues. And there you have it, our Midnight Ice look for the new year for 2022. If you have any questions, feel free to put a comment below. And thanks for joining me. And we will hopefully see you next week for the next one.